Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10C and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on the lock screen. As you can see on the very first position we've got the sleep, so let's enter, and here we've got some options from which we can choose, so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. What's more, we can set never, which means that your device will never black out. You will have to do it manually. So currently I've got 5 minutes option applied. As you can see, it is marked, so all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option like to use. So I will pick 10 minutes. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will automatically black out. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.